Hello guys, welcome to Techz Saviour channel. I'm in a room with the window open and it's pretty echoey in here too. And it's not the best place to record audio, but it enhances speech. All the background noise and echo is gone. Like I'm recording this in a professional studio. How did I do this? Let's start. Okay guys, so how did I do this? First of all, obviously you have to record an audio, and after recording an audio, you just go to Google Chrome and search in search bar Adobe Podcast. After searching it for mobile user, I'm telling this, do not forget to change your setting of Google Chrome setting in desktop side. Okay, so it will be easy for you to use this website, because when you're not in this top side, this website is so annoying. I'm telling you before you go in this website. So how to turn this browser in desktop side? Just see on the right upper corner, there are three dots. Just tap on it, and then you can see from downside, there is a third option from downside, not from upper side, okay? Which is desktop side. Just a check mark on it, and then you will see the whole interface will change. Okay, after this, just get in Adobe Podcast. After getting in Adobe Podcast, you can see there are many options, studio, mic check, and enhance speech. So let's go to enhance speech. When you get here, as you can see, there's an option choose files. Click on it. After clicking on choose files, just go and pick which audio you want to select. For example, I'm selecting or picking my recording for YouTube channel. So it's uploading, and then it will enhance. I don't know, but I think it's like AI is doing everything, and it is canceling and deleting and cleaning and enhancing the whole audio. So it's a great, but it's free till now that I'm making this video. I don't know, maybe you're watching this video in 2025, 2026, I don't know. But till now, in 2024, this website is absolutely free. You don't have to pay. But if you want to unlock more options, as they are saying there here, Express Premium, so you can enhance speech in video support, upload videos files like MP4, MOV, and M4V, and they will enhance your speech. Maybe like a podcast, when someone making podcast video, so it's helpful for them. And you also can upload here, like bulk upload. What does it mean? It means upload files and come back when they are all done. So, and also you can adjust the strength, control enhancement for a more natural sound. But in free version, you cannot do these all things. So we are waiting. Okay, it's done. So now you can tap or click on this option, enhanced speech, while you're playing. So you would see the difference, which is before enhancing your audio and after enhancing your audio, as you can see it. So if you like this video and you found this video informative, so don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you have any question about this video, or I don't know what problem you're facing, so you just get in comment section and let us know about this. Of course, we will try to solve this issue. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.